Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Kumar and welcome back to my channel, My Your English. Today is day 19 of my 30-day English speaking challenge, and for today my topic is, can I speak English without grammar? So for today this is my topic. When we are going to speak English, we think we have to know about grammars, rules, vocabulary, and everything about grammar. But according to me, in first stage of learning English, we don't need grammar accurately and too much vocabulary. We can start speaking English with some normal words. In children's, we don't know any language, then we will learn our mother tongue language. The only we are able to learn that language because we are listening to that language repeatedly. On that time we don't know any grammatical rules, we don't know anything, but still we learn how to speak in our mother tongue. In same way, when we want to speak English, we can learn in that way also. So first we have to focus on listening to the English words and speak English words, so that our mind and mouth get addicted to English words, so it will come up with that word and you can speak. So in first stage of learning English, there nothing need to grammar. You can see me, I am not focusing on right now on my grammar part. I am just trying to speak English, and today is day 19 of my challenge. You can see that from since 19 days I am speaking English at least 1 minute without any hesitation or any make of fun, and I forget about all the grammatical rules. When I am confident in speaking English, then I will try to overcome my speaking errors with the help of grammatical errors. So right now I feel that grammar is not necessary while learning a language on the first stage. So you can, if you want to speak in English, you can skip the grammatical part and try to speak in English like me. If you want to practice with me, you can contact me and we can practice with you. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching me. See you guys in next day.